In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate the process of picking products using a mobile device and Warehouse 15 software. In SAP, we have several orders. Let's fulfill this order. On the mobile device, to select a document, simply tap on it. The screen will then display a list of products ordered by customer, with each item showing the quantity that needs to be picked, as well as the quantity already picked. If the items labeled with barcodes, they can be scanned for identification. Items can be individually scanned, or you can manually input the quantity for each item. The program manages the quantity of collected items. Attempting to retrieve a greater quantity than specified in the order will result in encountering this error. Moreover, any attempt to scan an item not included in the order will be met with this error message. Some items are traceable by lot number. When we scan such an item, the program asks you to scan the lot number. The lot number can also be selected from the list of lots available for that item. Some items have unique serial numbers. If you scan an item with a unique serial number, the program will ask you to enter or scan the serial number. If the serial numbers of the items are consecutive, you can enter the first and last serial numbers. The intermediate serial numbers will be calculated automatically. Once all items have been scanned, navigate back to the menu to complete the document. The original order in the SAP will then be updated. If any items were scanned bearing batch numbers during the process, the relevant information will be recorded in the document. The document will also include data about serial numbers. For more details, refer to other videos from Cleverence.